Hello and welcome to the description video for lesson 5 and 6. We're going to combine them both in this video here. So if you remember from the previous lesson, the students made their initial claim based on the competing ideas of pushing an object harder will make it travel farther, and the wrong idea of pushing an object harder will make it go the same distance. So we end the lesson on saying we need to do more work. We need to do some research. We need to do some reading. And we have two, what we call check with the experts. We have this little story here, and this can be found right here. There's a hyperlink to it right there. It's also on the website. So, we really highlight those words: pushes and pulls, cause movements. Push is a force that moves an object away. You can push a door shut. You can push a swing. You can push a cart. You can push a drawer shut. Pull is a force that moves an object closer. You can pull a wagon. You can pull a toy. You can pull a door open. You can pull a drawer open. And then the big one that kind of answers our question is, if you push or pull an object hard, it will travel far. And then down here, we have those vocabulary words. We have them in English and Spanish. If you want to print these out, you can put them in your room. You can put them up on the wall, whatever you'd like. We also have this digital story here on Story Jumper. So this is just a quick little story about pushes and pulls. You can buy this, or maybe if your district has it, you could use this, but this is another example. With the check with the experts, it's up to you if you want to print this out. It'd be a lot of pages. It's 14 pages, or you could just present it on the board. You could possibly have this in a reading lesson as well. You could do this during reading time possibly, and that might be a way that you combine lessons 5 and 6 together, because maybe you do this during your reading time. And then the next part is there's multiple formative assessments. Okay, so this is on here as well, so you could pull this up and put this on your screen. So the first formative assessment is we are trying to understand the check with the experts. So the question is, if you push or pull an object, it will move far. And so this is taken directly from the check with the experts. If you push or pull the object harder, it will move faster. And then they have to put, is this right? And they'll check the yes. And then they can just draw a person pushing hard. And then the second one, if you push or pull an object soft, oops, you get a little typo there. Soft, it won't go far. And yes, so then draw a person pushing soft. The next formative assessment is this one. How can the girls swing higher? And we have two competing ideas. The girl can go higher if you push her hard. The girl won't go higher if you push her hard. Which one do you agree with? Hopefully they check one. And then why do you think that idea is right? Use the words push and pull in your drawing. So what we would have here down here is we would say, make a drawing and use the word push or pull and hard. Push, pull, hard. So they're going to make those words a little bigger too. Hold that. So this is just a spot down here where they'll write in push, pull, and hard. And that is the formative assessment.